Welcome back to What's in Your Skillet. Today we'll be making mixed berry banana nut bread muffins. They're perfect for on the go in the morning or an afternoon pick-me-up. These are the ingredients you'll need for the recipe. You'll start by mashing your bananas to a smooth consistency, and then adding your egg in one at a time and stirring. Then add in your remaining wet ingredients. Once combined, mix into your flour and fold in your berries and nuts, and spoon into your prepared muffin tins. Bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes and enjoy. And as always, subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.